I'm with Chef Ananya Banerjee. The name is synonymous with Indian culinary. She's a known name not only in India but abroad too. Chef Ananya, welcome to my channel. Please speak something about your journey.
Thank you for having me in your channel first. Yes, my journey has been I've written two cookbooks, I have traveled around the world. My first cookbook was only on global food, which I accumulated by taken down from different chefs of the world. And the second one, my publisher wanted me to do a Bengali cookbook in English language so that
Okay,
people know about the
absolutely.
non-Bengalis know about the Bengalis.
True.
And Baki, I have done few television shows. I'm also on YouTube and active on Instagram. And I love to curate different cuisines, uh, especially lost recipes,
Yes.
and have food festivals all around the country.
As you had mentioned, lost recipe. It's a, to be precise, it's a very big word. That in India, there are so many recipes which are not visible and people have forgotten about that dishes.
Correct.
But she is trying to revive that culture. She's reviving to culture, revive that recipe so people would understand that what was the old recipes and what was their taste and all. Chef, आपको कैसा लगता है जब आप नए नए तरीके की पुरानी रेसिपी बनाते हैं?
बहुत अच्छा लगता है बिकॉज वी लिव इन अ कंट्री रेसिपी चेंजेस एवरी से 50 किलोमीटर्स
जी,
तो हमारे पास इतना वैरायटीज है उनमें से लॉस्ट माने दिस पर्टिकुलरली मुर्शिदाबादी इफ आई टॉक
यस,
अबाउट इट इज द क्विजीन ऑफ द मुगल्स ऑफ बंगाल
ट्रू, ट्रू,
जो कलकत्ता में मुगलाई फूड मिलता है वो आवधी इन्फ्लुएंस है.
एब्सोल्युटली,
So that is very different. People have that idea. In fact, today I was talking to so many people. They said, Calcutta Mughlai? I said, no. This is the Mughlai food of Bengal and it's one of the most ancient Mughlai food of our country. And it's almost getting lost. No one knows about it.
ट्रू, ट्रू.
Yeah.
She is organizing a food festival of Murshidabad in Novotel Hotel Mumbai Airport. Basically, it's a new concept for Mumbai ka, that what is Murshidabad cuisine. And she has already mentioned that Murshidabad cuisine and Mumbai girls are basically a food lover. They are foodies and they are trying to try this dish for the first time in Mumbai. शेफ अनन्या, आपकी जर्नी इतनी वास्ट है. You were an editor for the BBC Good Food Guide, which is a very big name, and you have taken Indian recipes, Indian cuisine, Indian culture to
Yeah.
various countries.
Yes.
How do you feel about it now?
Extremely proud. Yes, I used to live in Germany, and I used to teach Indian food to the foreigners. So to the German club, to the American club, Japanese club, Korean club, I used to teach Indian food because it used to pain me to see when
True,
you talk about Indian food, there's no culture of Indian food abroad.
true, true.
And here in this country, we have so much of variety and it's all untapped and unknown. So I feel great when somebody researches, talks about it, and लोगों तक पहुंचता है ये
जी,
चीज.
जी.
Yeah. That-
See, she has mentioned Germany. Not only Germany, in European countries, people love Indian food. There are so many Indian people who have migrated from India to various European countries or American countries and vice versa. But they still want to tap their roots. And Chef Ananya is trying to promote the cuisine which was never heard of. And I think so that she will be a successful chef. Indeed, she's a celebrity chef. But I'm happy that she's spreading the Indian cuisine all across the globe. Chef, when you go abroad, as you said, Germany, you have traveled various countries
Yeah.
across the globe. And how do you feel when people not only Indian, the Gora or the
Correct.
regional resident of that particular country,
Hmm.
they love Indian food. And how you feel when they ask you, Chef, can you explain this kind of recipes? We want to learn something from
Yeah.
you. So, what is your view? Can you elaborate on that?
Yes, of course. So I have seen maybe if you go to England or if you go to the US, काफी जानकारी है लोगों
जी
का और काफी इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट्स है एंड वैरायटीज भी मिलता है बट इफ यू गो इंटीरियर्स ऑफ यूरोप
Yes.
like Germany,
हाँ जी
like Italy, in parts of Italy, then all of Switzerland,
Correct.
all of these places, you won't find Indian restaurants. So I
हाँ,
mean,
yes, yes.
कम है और बहुत स्टैंडर्ड है वही बटर चिकन और
दाल
नान
मखनी, बटर
दाल मखनी
चिकन,
और वो
पनीर
एक
बटर मसाला।
बस और मैंगो लस्सी क्यों नहीं क्यों मैंगो लस्सी मुझे नहीं मालूम
नहीं
वो
पता।
अल्फांसो मैंगो का टिन कट करके और योगर्ट मिला के मैंगो लस्सी तो आई दैट यूज्ड टू ट्रबल मी दिस इज नॉट इंडियन फूड
Yes, yes, sir.
we are so much more than that so I tried to incorporate as long as I mean I taught the people there then they found out that there are so much in our cuisine we can offer आप साउथ इंडिया देखो नॉर्थ इंडिया देखो ईस्ट वेस्ट का कोई जिक्र ही नहीं है वहाँ
हाँ
का
जी, हाँ जी,
नॉर्मल रेस्टोरेंट्स में
बिल्कुल,
अभी
बिल्कुल।
अवेयरनेस बढ़ रहा है लोग थोड़ा थोड़ा न्यू रेस्टोरेंट्स आर कमिंग अप आई एम सो हैप्पी या
See, in UK, I have seen
हाँ यूके
Indian cuisines are there. There are many Indian restaurants, but out of 100% Indian restaurants, 90% restaurants are
बांग्लादेश
owned by Bangladeshis and
बांग्लादेश
Pakistanis.
पाकिस्तान
They may be having they may not like our country, but they are selling our name, they are selling their product. But the real Indian restaurant in United Kingdom or other countries, the real Indian restaurant taste is totally different than those so-called people.
राइट
जैसे कि हमारा इंडियन है, उनमें बहुत अलग है। आपको क्या लगता है? आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे? What message are you trying to give it to the people in that area?
Yes, I feel we should be proud of our local ingredients, local culture and
जी।
recipes. तो वो सामने आना चाहिए.
हाँ जी,
Not just that typical few 3-4 dishes or and sell that as Indian food. That is
हाँ जी,
not Indian food.
yes, yes,
Yeah. So we should delve into the intricacies and the depth of the cuisine
true, true.
and put that forward.
And like
जो हाइपर लोकल क्विजीन्स है छोटा छोटा
हाँ जी, हाँ जी,
हर जगह का वो सब हाईलाइट होना चाहिए
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल। अभी जैसे साउथ इंडियन डेलिकेसी के बारे में लोग बोलते हैं, इडली, डोसा,
इडली डोसा
वड़ा, सांभर ये है, but
इट इज
there are
सो
much
मच
more
मोर
thing available in
यस
South Indian.
यस
I have visited London. Chef Sriram is he used to work for the Taj in Bangalore. Today he's running a Michelin star restaurant there, and he always, whenever I visit that restaurant, he tells me, "Sir, लोग समझते हैं इडली डोसा मसाला
वही
डोसा यही है, लेकिन ये नहीं है। हमारे यहाँ पे इतना
सो
बढ़िया
मच मोर
साउथ इंडियन डेलिकेसीज है।
जी
आपको क्या लगता है कि हमारे शेफ लोगों ने और क्या एफर्ट्स लेने चाहिए ताकि इंडियन रेसिपी जो है बहुत आगे तक जाए?
वही दोबारा मैं वही बोल रही हूँ थोड़ा हाइपर लोकल होना पड़ेगा
जी,
और जो
जी,
हर क्विजीन का जो लॉस्ट पार्ट है और जो अच्छाई है उसको आगे लाना है सो ओनली वी हैव कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड ऑन नॉर्थ इंडियन फूड
ट्रू,
थोड़ा सा नॉर्थ इंडियन वही इंडियन फूड बोल के
हाँ जी,
सो
हाँ जी,
साउथ में भी हमको और भी डेल्व करना है ईस्ट तो बिल्कुल अनटच्ड है
अनटच्ड है, यस,
अनटच्ड
यस, यस, एब्सोल्युटली, यू आर
entire east माने बंगाल बिहार उड़ीसा इन
करेक्ट,
एंड द नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट्स
राइट,
कुछ नहीं है कोई जानकारी नहीं है लोगों का इंडिया में नहीं है तो बाहर का
बिल्कुल,
छोड़िए तो ये सब हाइपर लोकल क्विजीन्स को थोड़ा सा इनकरेज करना चाहिए हॉस्पिटलिटी इंडस्ट्री को तो जाके इनके ऊपर शेफ्स काम करेंगे तो लोगों को खिलाएंगे तभी तो जानकारी ज्यादा होगा टेस्ट करे तभी तो मालूम पड़ेगा आज मुझे लोग ऐसे भी पूछ रहे ये मुर्शिदाबाद कहाँ है
इट्स अ सैड पार्ट,
हाँ
एक्चुअली इट्स अ
हाँ
सैड पार्ट।
हाँ तो अनलेस आई वर्क ऑन इट, मेरा आज काफी रिसर्च रहा और ये क्यूरेट किया मैंने, तो काफी कुछ नया लोगों को खिलाए और इसके बारे में बातें ही करती जा रही हूँ कि ये उधर ऐसे होता है, मैं ऐसे इसको चेंज किया। तो अनलेस आई डू दिस एक्सरसाइज, आप एक कुजीन को कैसे आगे लाओगे?
आपने यहाँ मुर्शिदाबाद कुजीन पेश की है, हमने देखा कि आपने नई नई चीज़ें जो आपने यहाँ पे रखी हैं, और मैंने देखा कि कई गेस्ट लोग वो आपकी रेसिपी की काफ़ी तारीफ कर रहे थे। ये अपने आप में
गॉड इज
बहुत
काइंड।
बड़ी बात है। एंड मुझे आपसे एक बात और पूछनी थी। सी, आई मे नॉट बी कॉम्पिटेंट टू स्पीक टू यू अबाउट फूड बिकॉज यू हैव डन अ you were a editor with the BBC Good Food Guide.
No, it's
But you know, you have taken a lead to promote Indian cuisine to the next level. There are many chefs, but there are very few lady chefs who are into the trade promoting Indian delicacies across the globe. Chef, I am happy, I'm honored that today you are here.
honor is
And
mine.
I would appreciate that you should keep on spreading the Indian cuisine
Yes.
all across the globe.
Yes.
And there are many chefs like Chef Satish Arora, Chef Sanjeev Kapoor. These are the people who have brought Indian recipes to the limelight all across the globe. And today, this recipe is very well appreciated.
Yeah, the chefs you named, I am very small compared to, should not even compare my name with them. They are absolute legends. But yeah, I would try to do that because that gives me pride and joy and happiness.
Thank you very much, Chef.
Most welcome.
Thank you. It was really pleasant talking to you.
Same
Thank you
here.
very much.
Same here. He's doing great work promoting all the chefs out there. So if you like this video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.
Thank you, Chef Ananya.